enlightened world. May His Highness the Agha Khan rest in peace. And Mr. Speaker, we want to congratulate His Highness Prince Rahim Al Husseini, the Agha Khan V, on his ascension yesterday to the Imamate. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable members, yes, Pasaris, is it on the same issue?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I just thought in the interest of gender, we should also have a woman speak to the passing of the Agha Khan. Prince Karim Al Hussein Agha Khan, what I know is that he, as soon as he assumed office at the age of 20, two resolutions that he passed to amend the constitution. The first one was that if a family has children, girls and boys, and they have limited resources, the girl should be given the possibility of going to school. So he believed in gender empowerment. He believed that women and girls should be given equal opportunity, and if resources were less, then the girl should be promoted to go and study. He also started the Agha Khan housing projects because he believed that every family should own a home. So as we stand in solidarity with the Ismaili community and having been a beneficiary of the Agha Khan's projects, in the sense that I went to the Agha Khan Primary School and the Agha Khan Kensek Secondary School, I pay condolences to the entire Ismaili community, and we thank the foundations of the Agha Khan for all the work that they do, and we congratulate the new prince for assuming position. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, honorable members. Order. Honorable members, in recognition of the outstanding work to humanity by the late Prince Agha Khan, each one of us here has in one way or another been touched by the work of the Agha Khan. Either you have gone to Agha Khan Hospital, or you have gone to Agha Khan schools, or you have gone to Serena hotels, or you read the Nation newspaper. In whichever way you have been touched, I want to request the House with great humility to stand for a minute's silence in honor of the Agha Khan. Thank you. Go back to communication.